Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this Zextra informative review and my honest opinion. Zextra is all-in-one digital marketplace builder. Do you want to get this Zextra app? If yes, complete my review video and get all the top information about Zextra. I am here the members area of Zextra. Inside my review video, I will show you the uh, demo, how it works. Okay, step by step, I will show you everything. After that, I will discuss, does it really helpful to make money or not? Does it really worth buying or not? And my final opinion. Even I will discuss the best alternative of this Zextra. You can choose this Zextra suite. Even you can choose my alternative. Okay, so guys, if you want to make the right decision, complete my review first and get all the top information step by step, everything, and I will show you the demo how it works. Okay, now let me introduce myself first. I'm Rajbhadro. I'm an affiliate marketer over 9 years. I'm working here. It's my YouTube channel Rajbhadro. If you're really interested with affiliate marketing, with online marketing, check my video description and check my YouTube channel Rajbhadro. A lot of money making opportunities here. Okay, let's see the product summary. The product name Zextra. Product author Madhav Datta and Dr. Shamit Joshi. Product price, you will get three options here. There is gold option 77 USD, bundle option 297 USD and monthly recurring 67. Purpose of this suite for digital marketplace builder. Upgrades, three upgrades here. It's the short summary of Zextra. Now let's see what is Zextra. Zextra is the most amazing all-in-all on digital marketplace suite. It allows you to immediately start selling any digital products you have or you have right to sell. Moreover, it can be software, products, ebooks, mp3, audio player, etc. as you wish. Then, and if you don't have any own product, then simply choose from Zextra's white label software library, instantly selling them as your own product. Okay, you can even rebrand Zextra software and give it your own unique task. I will show you how you can do it step by step. You will get everything here. Let's see the demo. Okay, you see inside the members area of Zextra. At the first, you have to visit the documentation. You will get all the tutorial step by step. Okay, how you can set up, how you can set your manage your profile, reset password, Stripe integration, API keys, custom SMTP. Then the features, configuration your first product, set up white label from library, configuration downloadable products, configure and sell your services, set up custom SaaS product, customize sales page, manage subscription. You will get everything step by steps here. Then the reporting, track your sales. If you want to track your sales, if you want to get all the analysis, you can track your sales here. Now let's see the Zextra dashboard. At the first, manage your profile. Okay, visit here my settings. You can put your name. You see here, then just simply click the save button and save your name, your email address here, your short bio. You can add here your employee, everything you okay, set up everything. Then click the save. You can add your telegram number, Skype, WhatsApp, phone number, country, state, province, city, zip code, address, everything. Just click the save button. Okay, then the security, you can change your password. You can add new password. Okay, then API key, you can create your API key anytime. Okay, create your new API and you see here it's your new API. Okay, then the Stripe account, your account name, publish key, security key and click the submit. Then SMTP settings, you can add all the, you can fill all the blanks here and click the submit settings. Then the taxes, you can set up your tax area, all the tax details here. And finally the billing plan, do you want to set the light plan, pro plan or ninja plan? You can set up everything. It's your profile setting. Okay, Now visit the dashboard. Now I will show you how you can add new products here, and if you don't have any products your own, then you can use all the products inside Jextra. Okay, EverGP, Page Builder, Vidmock, AppJav, Clock URL. You will get like a lot of products, unlimited products here if you choose the bundle offer. Okay, or if you choose the monthly recurring offer. Okay, you can get access all the products. Now if you want to add a new product, then click the new product, then add your own custom products. Okay, at the product type, then the product name, then product description, then product category, then choose your logo, product URL, your webhook URL, your support URL, your support email, and your support URL. Then submit and easily create your very own product. Okay, and if you don't have your own product, then you can see the setup white label from library. You will get the tutorial here, and you can get how to get and set up white label from library. Now I will show you how you can do it. Okay, visit the um, dashboard, and you see here I want to customize this EverGP. Okay, access seller dashboard. Click here, then visit here. You see here all details about this product here, and you can customize your own. Okay, as your own, as you wish. At the first you have the configure product. Okay, the product type, product name, product subdomain. If you visit this domain, you can see here this EverGP is already managed for you. Okay, you can edit anything as your wish, as your own. Okay, you can build your brand also. Okay, then product description, product color logo, product color image, then the white logo. You can change everything, and click the submit. Okay, click the submit. Now how you can do it? Okay, let me show. Okay, now you see here the configure domain. You don't need to buy any domain, you don't need to buy any hosting. Okay, everything is inputted here. Domain name sorry, you can add your domain name here and click the submit. Okay, then set up homepage. Click the setup homepage, and you can edit anything. You see all your all in all digital marketplace suite is here. Okay, you see here your all in all on digital marketplace suite here. If you want to change here, the number on money making, the number on money making opportunity. Okay, just click the submit, and if you reload it, then you can change here. You can see the number on money making opportunity. So you can edit anything, anytime, in anywhere. It's your own, so you can use it as your own product. Okay, then you can change everything as like this. Okay, you can change the images if you want to change the image. Okay, choose file, then you can choose images from your computer, or then you can change easily the images. Okay, and click the submit, and you can, after that you can reload and check the images. Even everything you can change here step by step, in every step. Okay, you see here all the 4 steps that works fine. Okay, you can change all the 4 steps. Okay, you can change all the 4 steps. You can edit anything here. Okay, you can change anything here. Okay, then you can customize all the sales page step by step as you wish. Okay, step by step as you wish. Everything you will get inside here. Then manage custom page. Then you can create your custom page here. Your title, slug, body, meta description, keyword, activate. Okay, you can manage your custom page. Then manage navigation. You can add menu here. That will get you inside the menu, all the menus here. Okay, you can edit the add new menu, add new item here. Then manage post. You can create a new post, you can create new content, you can edit content as you wish and anytime. Okay, then the manage users. Okay, here is all of your users. You can manage your users here. Manage plans. Do you want to get basic plan, standard plan, premium plan, as you wish. Okay, you can set the light price, pro price, ninja price, everything, monthly, yearly, monthly. Okay, you can edit anything and you can change anything in any time. Okay, even you can delete it, edit it, even you can view it. Everything is editable, everything is customizable. And manage coupons. If you want to add coupons, then you can manage your coupons here. Okay, now visit the dashboard, and it's all the way to create your own product. Okay, if you have own product, then fine, and if you don't have your own product, then visit the white label library and get a lot unlimited products here, and you can customize any product like this. After that, you can sell it and as your own product. Okay, and for getting all that step by step tutorials, you can visit the documentation and get all the tutorials here. Okay, all the tutorials here. Step by step, you will get all the video tutorial, how you can use it and how you can make money using this Zextra. Okay, let me explain more other things. Okay, how Zextra works. It works in just 4 steps. At the first, you have to select your product. If you have your own product, then fine. Otherwise, you have to choose the white label library. From choosing your products, you have to visit the white label library for choosing your products and select your product. Then connect payment gateway. You have to set up your Stripe account and you have to connect your payment gateway. Then the provide instant access. Zextra has a reliable delivery system. Okay, very easily you can deliver your product, okay, to your customers. Then manage and grow. Manage your users, plan, role, subscription, invoice, reports, and a lot more at all in on dashboard at a glance. Okay, so guys, by this way, Zextra works in just 4 steps, and I already show you how it works. Now let's see the top features, the key features of Zextra. You can add product. Then if you don't have any product, then you can use the white label software library. Then collect payments, manage subscriptions, sell track. If you want to track all of your sales, you can do it. Then full functional website, full functional blog. You can add a full functional website, you can add full functional blogs with your products. Okay, then custom navigation, user management, billing and invoice, coupons, notifications, intuitive dashboard, developer API. It's all the top features of Zextra. Now let's see the alternative of Zextra. Suppose if you don't like this software, if you don't like this digital marketing suite, and if you want to know the alternatives, then at the first visit the website freeplrdownloads.com and you will get a lot of free PLR products. You have to download free PLR products first as your own product, private label right. You can use this product as your own. Okay, then step number 2, rebrand as your own. You can edit your product name, you can edit the product delivery, and finally sell on Warrior Plus, Zebizu Marketplace, and Udemy. Okay, you can easily do it, and it's the alternative of Zextra. But for this, you have to visit various websites, and it's a tough, the difficult process how to add products on Warrior Plus, Zebizu, or Udemy and sell it for your own product. Okay, own digital course. It's tough, but if you choose Zextra, then you will get everything. You can download free PLR products from free PLR products download.com, and then you can add these products on Zextra and sell it as your own product. Okay, if you don't have your own product and if you don't want to choose products from white label library, then choose products from free PLR downloads.com site. You can easily do it. Now, Zextra is a money making opportunity. A lot of people asked it. Firstly, Zextra opens up unlimited growth opportunity for anyone. This is a complete all-in-all digital marketplace builder. Certainly, selling digital products is the most charming online business at present time. Okay, it's an evergreen money-making opportunity. In addition, you can tap into 5.4 trillion global retail e-commerce industry today. Like Udemy, you can build your own empire using Zextra suite. You can sell and manage unlimited products all over the world. Okay, so if you can sell your own product, your own digital product, then it's a proven solid money making opportunity. Okay, so I can say it's a money making opportunity. Okay, then this suite worth buying or not? Okay, firstly I want to say by 2040 it's estimated that 95% of purchases will be through e-commerce. So 93.5% of global internet users have purchased products on online. If you want to make money, then you need website design, products, hosting, domain, a lot of other tools, and etc. So it's not an easy process to make money online. All problems are solved by this Zextra. This on platform instead of 10 different tools. Zextra provides everything for you for your digital product selling business. Firstly, it provides all the services for selling. After that, if you don't have your own product, then they will provide white label app or software for selling. So I can say this Zextra suite is worth to buy. Okay, otherwise you can follow my alternative. Now my final opinion is highly recommended. If you are a newbie, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter. If you want to make money selling digital products, then it's recommended. Okay, it's all in on digital marketplace suite, white label software library, sell unlimited digital products with complete ease, perfect for serious money seekers. It's 100% risk free. It's 100% risk free because here you will get 30 days money back guarantee and super support. If you face any problem, if you face any trouble, then you can support with the support team. Within 24 hours you can get support and solve your problem. So guys, if you really interested to get Zextra software, Zextra suite, check my video description. Get access Zextra with custom bonuses, huge bonuses and discounted price. So guys, it's all of my review. If you would like my review, then like this review. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Now let's see what you will get inside the video description. You will get the sales page of Zextra and you can get this Zextra inside my video description with custom bonuses. Okay, and it's the members area of Zextra. You can add product and you can access seller dashboard and you can edit, customize everything. And here's the members, here's the training of full Extra, and you will get everything here. So guys, that's it. If you really like my review video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and if you want to get this extra, then check my video description. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Take care. Bye.